I congratulate them on their success and I assure complete support from the Ministry, Government of India and all the state governments. It is also very encouraging to see the intense competition with the average revenue share of 20.35%. This indicates a strong demand for coal in the market. We want to see more organizations and entrepreneurs part of the growth story of the nation. The coal sector is closely linked to the growth of Bharat as a whole being. మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు, in Hyderabad, before 10 years, there is a strike, there is a demonstrations of industrialists. Demand is for power. That time of power also, industries can utilize the allocated power, 5 hours or 3 hours, 4 hours. More than if they use power for industrialists, there is a action against these industries. That is a situation. In Hyderabad, there is a demonstration. There is hesitation of all industries for power. Before 10 years, you know, there is a power shortage for agriculture sector also. There is a farmers also everywhere. There is hesitation. Now you can see new India. Even agriculture sector, there is a commercial sector, there is an industrial sector, domestic also. Sufficient power we are supplying because of the new policies. That's why per power, coal is a lifeline. Friends, raising power demand, critical industries such as iron and steel and agriculture and commercial sector and cement and construction sector, as we strengthen this vital industry, we pave the way for a more prosperous and self-reliant nation. మిత్రులు ఉప ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు కూడా అనేక విషయాలు రేజ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. బిఫోర్ దట్, ఏ టోటల్ కోల్ రిజర్వ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా రౌండ్ అబౌట్ 344 billion tons. In 2024, 997.23 million tons production we achieved. Coal production target for 2024-25, 1 billion tons. Of this, 190.38 million tons already we achieved. Expecting more than 175 million tons from captive commercial mines also. India is a second largest producer of coal in the world. 75% of the electricity in India is generated from coal, increasing energy needs. That's why coal is one of the important sector for growth of India development. Friends, I also inform our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Telangana, the Naini coal block is located in Odisha. This is listed under the Coal Mines Special Provision Act 2015. Direction to allot Naini coal block per power use of issued on 17/2/2015. Nominated authority issued a notice. Now, this is a coal mine for Singareni Collieries. I can assure you, Deputy Chief Minister, this Naini coal block with mission mode, Government of India will discuss this Orissa government, and coming soon this Naini coal block can start production for Singareni Collieries. On behalf of Government of India Coal Ministry, I will assure you, sir, definitely, even I will request the Government of Bhubaneswar and also my ministry, we will ensure you in mission mode, we can do the production. In Singareni, 15% of production we can get from this Naini coal block. That